device, we can create an IoT device which detects the level of the garbage, and when it exceeds the level, it sends the notification to the person at the other end on the server or on the HMC website. It can show it can display the levels also, like low, medium, high, the level of the garbage. So it can work on Wi-Fi or satellite communication. This will help to maintain hygienic environment, because they will take immediate action and collect the garbage before it exceeds the level. Day.
Next question. Red, green, blue. You know what do you mean by red, blue, green? And the same way, in system, how do you classify? This is dry, this is wet, this is mixture.
Image and image detection.
Okay? None of that.
They can use for classifying noises between blue and green with image detection. It can show how much level is, in percentage it can show how much is biodegradable and how much is not biodegradable. To image detection.
Right. Now, what is the data you are taking while training for this?
We are not taking data, like we are using detectors, we are using sensors. To just, if it touches a level, then it will send a.
So for testing, you certainly will. So it's a more IoT.
Yes.
Now, how about this? I was assuming that you are using IoT and AI both. But what if you use AI for this? What can be done? And now, step back.